Morning, Christy.
Good morning, Carmen.
Welcome. Welcome to Prepare to Pass.
Yeah.
Now, you've been coming over to our driving school from, which suburb are you from?
Parkside.
Parkside.
Yeah, Parkside.
Good. And how did you find our driving school? Where did you look to see where we were?
It's totally worth it. At first, I was like, okay, from Parkside to Port Adelaide, I have to travel by bus, and I mean, waiting and everything, it's like about an hour to get here.
Yeah.
But I'm so glad I did it, and I didn't go with another instructors and all of that. I just got into Carmen's website, text him. He was very professional when he replies stuff, and he gave me all of the links, all of the how-to, so you can always practice when you get home in your own car.
Yeah.
And I think the most important thing is that Carmen is such a nice and caring individual. Like, he genuinely care about you, and he wants you to drive safely, and the whole thing is just very comfortable, and he's a funny guy, so we always have a good laugh. And
oh, that's great. So
he's a great guy.
You're on top of the world, aren't you?
I know, I'm so happy.
Fantastic.
I finally passed.
Oh,
Yes.
that's great.
Thank
It's
you.
been a real pleasure to meet you
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you too,
and
Carmen.
have you as a passing student here.
Yeah, go with him. Don't
Thanks.
go anywhere else. Seriously.
Oh, there you go.
Don't waste your time. Yeah.
Well done. Thanks, Christy.
Thank you so much.
Many happy days driving.
Yes, I will. Keep in touch, Carmen.
Yeah, likewise.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya. Bye.